Making lasagna is not so much about a standard set of ingredients or following a recipe. You can actually put anything you like into your lasagna. You can even make a deconstructed lasagna, which is very, very nice to do every now and then for a casual dinner. And the only thing you've really got to watch for is you have to have enough sauce to cook your lasagna noodles. That's what you really have to bear in mind. And then you want to look for complementary flavors that go well together to add to your dish. Making a lump-free white sauce is easy if you know a simple trick. Melt the butter over the stove and remove the pan from the heat. Add the flour and mix to a smooth roux. Add a third of the milk and mix that until smooth. Add the balance of the milk and mix again until smooth. Return to the heat and stir continuously until the sauce has thickened. Remove from the heat and stir for 1 minute more. Once the white sauce is made, add a beaten egg, and now you can prepare the ingredients for your layers. An olive, you need to take the back of a knife and simply press it against the olive, and it'll pop out extremely easily. Just like that. And then with the garlic, the same thing, just press on your garlic and out of the pot. Once you have all the ingredients chopped and ready to construct your lasagna, you just need to layer each section into an oven-proof bowl. And for that instructions, just refer to the actual recipe on Hive.